So I'm back. Today I want to show you another experiment. Yes, I know. But first of all, this was special, was again for my mom, because it was her birthday and I wanted to do something really, really special. But I got inspired by my dad. And it was his first present that he made for her. And here behind is written Ricordo Salvatore. This was his name. I don't know if you can see it. It was his name. And he made for her, before they married, a little rose. Okay, so now you can think what I want to make for her. Yes, roses, but not red, white ones, okay? He died a long time ago, but I feel he's still here with us. Whatever I'm doing, I'm thinking about him, and I'm thinking what he wants that I'm doing for her, or how I treat her. So, yes, and the first challenge is actually, for me, I'm doing those roses with dry clay, the first time with dry clay. I worked before with clay, but it is different. And I can feel it when I'm doing it. So I try to do it in many ways, but in the end I found a way that I think is easier for me. Sometimes people have to find their way to find something easier. But for me, it was really, I found something that it will help me for other projects. So I'm very glad that I tried it out. Sometimes I have to restart again with the rose if it doesn't work. But just don't give up if you start doing something. Try to do another one and try to understand what you did wrong and do another one and another one. So I did many, many roses. And this will be also mosaic. So I hope you will try to watch it all and enjoy and get inspired for doing something for your mom or for your dad or for your loved ones, because it is a therapy and it will help you to calm you down, to forget what is around, the bad things around you, and think a bit clearer. That's why I'm doing that too. Also because I want to see my mom happy, and the first thing is family. That everyone around me is happy, so I can be happy too. Yes, so relax and watch until the end if it's possible, and thank you for watching. If you're still watching, thank you so much, and for all your beautiful words. It's amazing how I meet so good people around this world, and it gives me so much pleasure to give you inspiration and give you ideas. Also with your loved ones, how you deal with dementia people, how you care for each other. I think this is the main thing that I want to give to people. And then, of course, also my art, how I'm doing things. But the main thing is actually caring for each other.